To write our first JavaScript code, we need to create the script tag. So I type script and press tab. One of the questions could be, where should we place our script? So as a best practice, we should be displaying at the end of the body content. That's pretty much the best practice. If we place somewhere else, it could cause some bad user experience, such as the browser itself, it executes from the top to the bottom. If you put somewhere on the top, then it will try to parse the JavaScript code and try to execute. Meantime, it will be displaying the page as blank. If you put it over here, it would be displaying the hello world by the time it starts executing the script. So the user will be seeing the hello world while the script is being executed. So as best practice, try to put it on right after the body content. Let's type some JavaScript code. Document.write is basically putting the content, the HTML content. Let's put h2, closing the h2, first JavaScript code, save it, then right click and open with live server. As you can see, it produced whatever we put as a string within the document.write.